So in this video we'll see how we can add and subtract the fractions. Okay, so there are two types here while adding or subtracting fractions. First type, when the denominator is same, okay, and the second type, when the denominator is different or it is not same. So you have to use different method. So if the denominator is same, for example, you are given the question 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Here you can see that the denominator of 3 is same. So what you do is just write 3 once as it is and just add the numerators. So you have to just add the numerators. So it was 2 plus 5. So you get the answer as 7 by 3. That's it. As easy as that. Second, 8 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. So as the denominator is same, you just write the denominator once and just keep the numerator as it is. So 8 minus 2. So you get the answer 6 by 5. Now there is one more step to be done in the following cases. For example, now we are solving this question 8 upon 7 minus 1 upon 7. So here, as the denominator is same, we kept it as it is and we wrote on in the numerator 8 minus 1. So answer is 7 by 7. So now if this fraction, if both the numbers can be divided by same number, then you have to divide the fraction by the same number and you get the answer as 1 upon 1. That is, you can write only 1. Okay, just one more question we will do like this, and then we will move on to the second type, when the denominator is not same. Okay, so just one last question of this type, when the denominator is same. So next question, 8 by 7 plus you can say here 6 by 7. Now again the denominator is same, so we wrote the denominator only once and now we are writing 8 plus 6. So you get the answer as 14 upon 7. Now just as I told you in the previous question, if these two numbers 14 and 7 are divisible by same number, then you have to divide them. Okay, you can just write it like this. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, and you can write the answer as 2 upon 1. You can write it only as 2 also, because when you divide by 1 you get the same answer. Okay, so you can write it as only 2. Now this was the easy part, when the denominator was same. Now the second part, when the denominator is not same. Okay, what you do at that time, we'll see how to solve if the denominator is not same. So in this type there are two methods by which you can solve. So first method I am telling you now, if one number is 5 by 3, one fraction, another is 1 by 4. Denominator is different here, as you can see. At that time, what you can do, first method is cross multiplication method. Okay, so this method is cross multiplication. So important part here is you have to multiply from this side first. So you have to write this as 5 4s are, so you get 20. Then you have to give the sign which was there in the middle. Then in the second part, in the second number, you have to multiply these two terms. So 3 1s are 3 is your second part. It must be your second part. Okay. Then in the denominator, you have to multiply the denominator. So 3 4s are 12. So you get the answer is as 23 by 12. As simple as that. Okay. So we will see one more question by this method only, and then I will tell you the second method. Okay. So subtraction question. So now let me take some bigger numbers. 13 by 12, not too big, minus 1 upon 5. So as you can see that the denominators are different, what you do is, let me write this again. What you do is, you do the cross multiplication. First you have to multiply from this side. Okay, so it is 13 5s are 65. Then you have to give the sign which was there in the middle, and then you have to multiply from this side. Okay, so 12 1s are 12, and again in the denominator you have to multiply the terms which are there in the denominator. 12 5s are 60. So you just subtract now 65 minus 12. So my answer is 53 upon 60. Now the important part, if these two numbers come in the same table, That is, if they are divisible by same number, then you must divide them and write the answer in the simplest form. Okay, that is very important. Now this was very easy. Now let me get to the second method by which we can solve when the denominator is not same. So we are going to do the second method now. Okay, when the denominator is not same, let's take an example. If 8 upon 15 plus 7 upon 45. See, if you solve by the cross multiplication method, it becomes little bit tedious, little bit lengthy, little bit more calculations if the numbers are bigger, right? So this method now which I am telling you will become more easy. So in this method, what do you do? When the denominator is not same, you find their LCM. So you find the LCM of 15 and 45. Now this is a new term for us. LCM means least common multiple. So if you take the denominators as 15 and 45, what is that number which comes in the table of 15 and 45? There will be lot of numbers which will come in both the tables, but we have to find the LCM, least common multiple. So if you write down few numbers, okay, of both the tables, you will see that there will be many terms which will be same, but you have to select the first term, that is the least common multiple. So what is the LCM? LCM is 45 here. Okay, one very easy method was, now the terms were 15 and 45. 45 comes in the table of 15, right? So LCM is going to be 45, as easy. Okay, similarly one more, 10 and 30. 30 comes in the table of 10, so the LCM will be 30. Last, 7 and 35. 35 comes in the table of 7, so 35 will be the LCM. Okay, so now let's proceed ahead. Let's see what we have to do with this LCM. We have found the LCM now. Now what to do with this? So what you do is, now we have to make the denominator as 45. So here the denominator is already 45. That means you don't have to do anything for this fraction. For the first fraction, the denominator was 15. So make it 45, you will have to multiply it by 3. So you have to multiply the numerator also by 3. As easy, right? Then you keep the sign which was in the middle as it is. If it is positive, you have to give the positive sign. If it is negative, you have to keep the negative sign. And the second fraction, you don't have to do anything because already the denominator is 45. Now the denominator becomes 45 for both. 8 3s are 24, 15 3s are 45. We have changed the denominator here, plus the second fraction is 7 upon 45. Now this question has turned into this type where the denominator is same, right? What we did in this type of examples, we just kept the denominator as it is and just solved the numerator. So 2 plus 5 and the answer was 7 by 3. This is what we are going to do it now. Okay, so now as the denominator we have got is same, we just need to solve the denominators. We have to solve the numerators only, so sorry. So what is going to be the answer? We'll just keep the denominator as it is and it will be 24 plus 7. So our answer will be 31 by 45. Now last thing, if these two terms are divisible by same number, then you must divide these two numbers by that same number. Okay, if it is not, then this is our final answer. One last question of subtraction where the denominator is different by LCM method. Okay, so last question of subtraction. So 31 by 15 minus 7 upon 6. Now 15 and 6 are the denominator, but 15 does not come in the table of 6. So in that case, first we have to find the LCM of 6 and 15. It will not be 15, right? The LCM will not be 15. So what you do, there are different methods of solving. Easiest method is you just write the tables, okay, and in the table you will see that there will be term which will come in the table of both. So the term which comes in the table of both, the first number will be called as the LCM, least common multiple. Okay, 30. I will tell you one more method of finding the LCM, because if the numbers are bigger, how will we find the table of both, right? So the easy method is, you can do like this also. You divide both the numbers or any one number by any prime number. So if I divide by 2, 15 is not divisible, so I will write 15 as it is, but I can divide 6 by 2, so answer will be 3. Now if I divide by 3, 3 by 3 is 1, and if I divide 15 also by 3, the answer will be 5. Now 5 will be divisible by 5, answer will be 1. So the both numbers have become 1 here. So this is our LCM. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. So answer comes to be 30, right? So what you need to do now, you have to make the denominator 30. For that matter, you have to multiply the denominator by 2. So you multiply the numerator also by 2. Simple. Now you keep the sign in the middle as it was there. Now in the second fraction, the denominator was 6. To make it 30, you have to multiply by 5. So in the numerator also you have to multiply by 5. So in this case, the denominator becomes 30, numerator 62, minus 7 5 is 35, denominator 30. So again the denominator has become 30. The question has become very easy for us now. So what we'll do, we'll keep the denominator as it is, 30 as it is, and we'll just solve the numerators. So I'm now subtracting. So it is coming out to be 27 by 30. Both are divisible by only by 3. So when I divide by 3, my answer is 3 9s are 27, and the denominator will become 3 10s are 30. So answer will be 9 by 30. 9 by 10. So I hope you have understood how we can solve different type of fractions, okay, when the denominator is same and when the denominator is not same. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. You can take the screenshot for your future reference. Yes, thank you so much, students.